In this video I'm going to show you what to do if you can't send DM on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to solve that problem, so let's begin. And there is some different ways how you can solve that problem. So start with the first thing you need to check. It's your internet connection. So first check that you have good internet connection. For that you can refresh your Instagram page, or you can open up your Safari and try to open up some website to make sure that your internet connection is good. The next thing that may happen is that some person that you want to send a DM just blocked you on Instagram, and in that case you wouldn't be able to send DM to that person until it unblock you, and it's the second reason why you can't send DM on Instagram. The next thing you need to know, it sometimes happen that Instagram servers are shut down for sometimes to get update or because of some problems, and in that situation you may ask your friends if Instagram works correctly on their devices, and if they got the same problem, in that situation you just need to wait for some time and try to send DM again. The next thing you want to try is to open up your app store, search for Instagram here, and if this button says update, hit on it and update your Instagram app to the latest version, because in some cases it may be a problem with Instagram version. And the last thing you want to try is to reboot your device. Just shut down your phone and turn it on again, and it should work for some time. Because it may be basically just a problem with your device. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.